In this video, we'll take a look at how you can turn off the wrist heart rate monitor on your Garmin Instinct. This is when you want to maybe use a heart rate strap instead of using the wrist heart rate monitor. So in order to do this, all we need to do is go down to the down or up buttons here, get down to the heart rate widget, which is right here. Press and hold the menu button, and we'll choose the heart rate options, and we can simply turn off the status here from auto to off. And now it is turned off. And there you go. That is basically it. And then from here, you just add your heart rate strap sensor. And we've covered this in another video of how to add additional sensors to the Instinct. And there you go. That's quickly how you do that on the Garmin Instinct.